Hello and welcome to the next episode of the daily recap with the Dadas Trading System. And today is Wednesday, the 28th of October, almost November. How time flies. Okay, so what happened today on the DAX 30 is pretty obvious. It just after going a little bit sideways, not very much on the Asian session right here. Uh, I think this is somewhere around the opening of the Frankfurt session and then the London session. It just plunged down. It plunged down and then again it made some pullback and then continued going down with a few pullbacks. The range, today's range was about 500 pips, a little bit over 500 pips. So another, let's say, pretty big move, right? And then the market practically went sideways from here. So basically, what was the deal right here? Well, on the M15 chart, the ATRs were pretty high. I mean, at this moment they aren't high. They are around 17 and a half pips ATRs on M15, but the ATRs were really high at some moments. So basically, every position, every possible position on the M15 was associated with a very distant stop loss, right? So basically, that made trading a little bit difficult. However, there was another thing today. I really didn't have much time to trade because, this technical problem that I have in my home hasn't been resolved yet, and it's not going to be resolved so quickly because, yeah, that's the kind of technical issue that cannot be resolved quickly. I mean, I basically I spent most of my time today on search engines looking for options, for possibilities, for somebody who can act quicker and fix this thing, right? Well, it's not so easy. Everybody's busy. You get terms like 2 months, 3 months. Well, I mean, it's cold outside. Yeah, so I need heating in my house. So I have to make some emergency measures, like buying some electric heaters for the moment. Anyways, so yeah, so I was really busy. So my trading was kind of like jump in, trade something. So basically, what happened right here is that I went in long right here. Why did I go in long at this level? Because it was a pretty good opportunity to go long. Because well, the price was at a level where it there was some price action that could suggest that the price would be going up. Now, well, nevertheless, it didn't go up. And you can see that I had my stop loss right here. So basically, I opened, this was the type of set and forget trade, right? My take profit was here. And I actually did forget about it. I was so busy going through search engines that I forgot about it. And when I remembered my position, I saw that it was already my stop loss was taken out. So I didn't even have a chance to react at that moment. I decided to go in for a short at 10 lots. Okay, this one was one lot. This was turned around at 10 lots, and basically I took my recovered my loss with about one time profit. So yeah. And then again, I didn't have time. Then again, I came and I saw the price moving down, so I jumped in. However, I mean, the price was kind of pretty much going up and down, pretty violently. And like I said, the movements were pretty big. So I just closed it out at about 5.6 pips right here, and that's what I got. Now, what happened right here was on the M1 because I decided to go down to the M1 chart because because basically there were possibilities on the M1. Now, first I went short right here. I mean, obviously that was a resistance right here. So I went short. However, as the price started moving up, I mean, you see, it practically started moving up almost immediately. There wasn't a lot right here. So I just closed the. I mean, I did a different thing. I turned around. I first turned around at 10 lots with a long trade, and then I closed the short trade. However, we can see that the price didn't. I mean, yeah, it was up here for a moment, and maybe even there was this loss was even recovered, but the price was jumping so quickly that I couldn't close it at the right moment. So when I saw this price action that basically showed me this resistance level, so then I turned around at 100 lots, and here I took 5 pips, which obviously recovered my both of those losses and made a nice profit. And that's it. I didn't have much time. I didn't really feel like trading. I mean, I am actually pretty exhausted, both physically and mentally at this moment. I mean, yeah, my trading is going okay, but it's life is not all about trading, and basically, in most of the other aspects, this year is apart from the COVID-19 thing, well, this year is pretty tough as far as my family is concerned. There's quite a lot of old people right now. I mean, elderly folks, and things are getting worse. That's all I can say. Oh, also the technical stuff, like I didn't expect. I mean, when you look at the at a heating furnace, you can never expect when it's going to break, and when it breaks, I mean, the way my heating furnace broke, it just started leaking water, and it started leaking water inside the furnace. So basically that's it. I mean, 2 days and everything is gone, and you can't use the furnace anymore. Now, to put in a new furnace, it turns out it's not so easy. Even if you can afford it, even if you can pay for it, it's not like it's gonna happen from day to day. I mean, unfortunately. So at least that's the reality where I live. I mean, like the guys have terms like December, January. So yeah, staying over winter without any heating, that's kind of stupid. Even if I have a few electrical heaters, it still doesn't solve the whole idea. So yeah, so that's what I'm working on basically. That's why I'm pretty studying options, which one to take better, because welding the furnace turned out to be a bad idea. I had a welder come today, and unfortunately he wasn't able to do anything, because when he started welding it just got worse. Bigger holes appeared. So yeah, so it's kind of like a useless thing. Basically, that's we are living in a reality where things are basically useless. I mean, they are shit. Like a furnace that has a lifespan of maximum 15 years. I mean, that's bullshit. And a furnace for heating the house should have a lifespan of at least 50 years, not 15 years. But that's the way things are made right now. Okay. And nobody really told me that I mean, the producer doesn't say that it's that the lifespan is 15 years, but practicality shows that that's the way it is. Anyways, too much rambling for today. Mm, you saw what I traded today. Like I said, I wasn't fit for trading today, really. So that's the way. That's the way I traded. You can see that my Kelly criterion optimal risk has dropped by 4 little points. Why? Well, basically 4 decimal points, right? Uh, why? Well, basically because of those 3 losses today and 2 losses in a row. So I need at least one more trade in order to recover back to 1.44, and then maybe go further on. Anyways, you are sincerely invited to my Dada's trading room Discord server, because that's where I stream live every day. So even today, when I wasn't really trading much, wasn't really analyzing much, I was still streaming live, and there were people watching. So you are invited. The link is below in the descriptions. Also, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. I do those daily videos, daily recap videos every day. So yeah, whatever happens, I mean, it really has to be something bad, so that I won't do it. But basically, every day I make those videos. Then you can either watch them on YouTube or directly on the Dada's Trading Room Discord server, or you can watch them on my Forex Factory threads, or even directly on my Patreon, because those are public and available to everybody. The non-public videos are the ones that I create on Sundays, and on Sundays I take more time. I analyze history. Some of these videos are 2, 3, 4, even 4.5 hours long, and they talk about my tools, my strategies, and I analyze different instruments, not only the DAX 30, different instruments, different time frames. However, those those videos are not public, so you need to become my VIP member on the Dada's Trading Room Discord server, and then you will get access to those channels where I post those videos, the Sunday with DTS videos. So you can become my Patreon by joining my Patreon, or directly through my PayPal, and you'll find those links below in the descriptions as well. And then you'll get all the benefits that come with it. Anyways, like I said, in many aspects, this year was maybe one of the worst years of my life. It's not over yet, so we can't say it's over till it's over, right? So, anyways, you know what what the situation in the world is. Please be careful, be safe. Stay safe, watch yourself, watch others, and see you next time. Bye.